How to make her scared of losing you. If you want her to hold a grip of you and not let you go. Number one is be ambitious. As a man, you have to be ambitious. You have to have a drive. You have to have a dream. You have to have a dream. You have to have a vision. All right? If you want to make her scared of losing you, be ambitious. Be intentional about your life. Have a goal-driven mindset. Have a goal-driven attitude. Have an ambitious mind. An ambitious mindset. A mindset that a go-getter mindset. All right? A go-getter mindset. Once you have a go-getter mindset, and she is clearly seeing it, she's clearly seeing you going for what you love, she's clearly seeing you chasing her dreams, she is not going to leave you. She will even be scared of losing you, because at this point, she's looking at a great man in you. At this point, she's looking at a successful man already in you, because you have a drive. You are filled with so much, drive, so much ambition. She's seeing everything you are doing. All right? She sees you getting closer to your dreams by the day. And secondly, you are doing these things intentionally. You are doing these things intentionally. Not that you are just saying it. Not that you are just saying it. You are just telling her, I have a big dream. I have a dream. I have a dream. But intentionally working towards it. All right? Intentionally working towards it. If you want to, if you want to become, maybe you, for instance, an actor, she sees you every day putting articles, even without getting an audition, even without getting audition, or even without getting calls from producers, even without getting auditioned for a movie role, but you are practicing. She sees you practicing every day. She sees you reading books, reading novels, doing things that are in line with your dream, that are in line with your vision, that are in line with your goals. She is going to be scared, because she's already seen a great man in you. All right? That is number 2. Number 3 is be confident. This is a no-brainer. Women love confident women. Women love confident men. This is a no-brainer. Women love confident men a whole lot. A man that knows himself, a man that knows his worth, a man that knows his core values and is keeping to it. All right? Women love confident men. Yes, women love confident men a whole lot. So if you want to make her scared of losing you, be a confident man. All right? If you want to make her scared of losing you, number 4 is, don't settle for less. If she is not prioritizing you as a man, she is not prioritizing your relationship, she is not prioritizing you as a man, maybe you are her second option, don't let that happen. All right? Don't let a woman choose you as second choice. You have to step back. You have to make your demands. You have to, tell her that you are not going to do this. Tell her that you are not going to do it. If you are not going to be her first choice, let her rather go and stay with her first choice. Okay? If she cannot take you as her first choice, let her rather go to that first choice and be with him. Because oftentimes you want to be scared that a woman will leave you and now want to settle for less just because you want to have her around you. Baby, where are you coming from? I went to see Mr. A. That Mr. A, you obviously know that is who she is cheating on you with. Yet you are still with her. She has not made up her mind to be with you. Yes, she has not made up her mind to be with you. So don't be in that category of guys. Don't be in that category. Don't let her to categorize you as someone or a second option. Don't let that happen to you, because it also shows her that you are not confident. It also shows her that you are not confident. Okay? If you want to make her scared of losing you, let your no be your no. Let your no be your no, and let your yes be your yes. No, I can't take this, and stand by it. Women are usually afraid of that guts. Women are usually afraid of that guts. Women are usually afraid of that, masculinity. That no. It's not everything you say yes to, especially if you are her second choice. Don't take anything less. That is number 4. Stop being overly available for her. That is number 5. Whenever you are overly available for a woman, whenever you are always available for her at her beck and call at all times, she will not take you seriously, and thereby you can lose her at any time. She will see you like a fool. She will see you like a mumu. That's someone that does not know himself. That's someone that does not have confidence in himself. That's someone that's someone that don't know what to do with his time. All right. That's someone that does not know what to do with his time. That is what being overly available for a woman means to her. That's someone that don't know what to do with her time. You are not ambitious. You are not resourceful. You don't value your time. You don't value your energy. You don't even love yourself. That is what it will also mean. That is what it will also mean. When you love yourself, you know that this time I want to have it to myself. This time I want to use it to, read my book. That this time I want to use it to chase money. That this time I want to use it to, go and hustle. If you are always available for a woman, she will not take you seriously, and thereby you can lose her. All right, you can lose her at the snap of a finger. If you are overly available for her, you can lose her at the snap of a finger. It will not be too long. She will go for a man that she will be chasing, a man that will not be available all the time, a man that she will work just to get his attention. In this kind of women, they are usually so relaxed. This kind of women that their man is overly available, they are usually relaxed in the relationship. They will do little or nothing in the relationship. They even on bed, they don't even put energy. It's always the man that will work on bed. So don't be overly available for a woman, else you are going to lose her. But if you want her to be scared of losing you, always have time for everything in your life. Always be scarce. No, be scarce, sometimes, occasionally be scarce. All right, be scarce occasionally. Then she will value you the more. Then she will chase you. Then she will always make herself available for you. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I remember my humble self, Chika. Please stay tuned to my channel as I bring you tips for a healthy lifestyle. Okay. See you in my next one. Bye. I hope this thing recorded though.